Hello students, I am G. Balakrishnan, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Vivekananda College, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. I am really happy to take class via online teaching. Now we are going to discuss about the title Water Treatment, which is contained Chemistry for Biologist Paper 2, Subject Code 078002. Now unit number 5, title is Pollution, which is contained different parts, soil, water and air pollution. Now we are considered only water pollution, which is contained types of water pollution, source of water pollution, sewage, industrial effluent, inorganic pollutant and control, and finally water treatment. We know already we discussed types of water pollution, source, sewage, industrial effluents, inorganic pollutant and control. Up to control we already discussed our regular class. Due to lockdown, in this PowerPoint presentation deals only water treatment, not others. Nowadays, so many methods available to purify the water, that means water treatment. One of the methods I discuss here, one is desalting or desalination by reverse osmosis. Definition of reverse osmosis commonly referred to as RO. Reverse osmosis means RO. Is a process where you demineralize or deionize water by pushing it under the pressure through a semi-permeable reverse osmosis membrane. Once again repeat, reverse osmosis commonly referred to as RO is a process which you demineralize or deionize water by pushing it under the pressure through a semi-permeable reverse osmosis membrane. Here I show three different pictures. The left side shows colorful pictures. The input water having so many metal ions like chlorine, magnesium, calcium, etc., and also some bacteria, dust, etc. After enter the membrane help to trap. Then this tap water convert purify water. This role of RO plant. This is the role of RO plant. Now we discuss one by one the principle of RO or reverse osmosis process. This method is based on the principle of compressing out water from saline water instead of removing salt from water. Millions of hollow fibers are bundled together and dipped in saline water, which act as a semi-permeable membrane. When saline water is subjected to high pressure, water is literally compressed through the membrane into the hollow fibers. Those pure and fresh water is collected at the opening end of the capillaries, while salt and impurity remain on the outside of the fibers. Students, please take notes. These 4 points deals with principle of or working principle of reverse osmosis process. Kindly noted. Now we are going to see another water treatment method. The name is electrodialysis. The definition of electrodialysis is a process by which electrically charged membranes are used to separate ions from an aqueous solution by an electrical potential driving force. Once again I repeat, the definition of electrodialysis is a process by which electrically charged membranes are used to separate ions from an aqueous solution by an electrically potential driving force. Here I am showing two different images. The right side image is a colorful image, beautifully visualized, or crystal clear image which contain cathode as well as anode. Cathode is a electrode contain negative charge. Its ability to accept positive ions from tap water, that means sodium. On the other hand, anode is a positive charge which is attract negative charge from tap water. Now we discuss one by one the working principle of electrodialysis. When salt water passed through ion exchange membranes under the influence of electrical field, positive and negative ions present in water get separated. The tank is divided into three compartments using anion and cation exchange membranes. On passing current, cations from the middle compartment passing through cation permeable membrane, while anions passing through anion permeable membrane. Due to movement of ions into the outer compartments, salt content of water in the middle compartment decreases. Water from the outer compartments is discarded or thrown it, while water in the middle compartment is collected. We can use this middle compartment water and is subject to electrodialysis again and again. These 5 points are discussed or deals with working principle of electrodialysis. Please take notes kindly. Summary of the session: we discuss water treatment. One method is desalting and desalination by reverse osmosis process. The definition of reverse osmosis with respect to image and working principle of reverse osmosis. And second method is electrodialysis, definition of electrodialysis and respective image and working principle of electrodialysis. Thank you to watch this video. Thank you so much.